So here is the look. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm Gayatri Kumbharkar and so my today's vlog is going to be on lip and cheek tint. So I have received this parcel I guess 2 or 3 days before, and I had used this product twice before sharing my review with you guys. So let me start with the box. So I just like this cute packing. We can see that there is a shape of the lip and the shade is visible. These are my two favorite shades which I have ordered. One is soft nude. This has to be, like, I had already fixed the one shade, it would be soft nude, and the another one is mahogany. Talking about its price, one is for 695, and if we buy two, then the price is buy two at 795. So I have ordered this too. Also with that I have received free goodies. It's like once you put them in the cart, you get 4 to 5 options to choose your free goodies. And Nourishing Amla Neem shampoo and Indian White Water Lily conditioner. So you get 4 to 5 options to choose your free hampers, to choose your free stuff. I have chosen this too, and another one are the face cleanser, oil and body lotion such as Just Herbs. It's a vegan product, paraben free and no oils. It's completely natural products. Includes Javitri, jojoba and rich starch, and the texture is creamy matte. So my skin is also sensitive, but after using this I didn't get anything on my face or my lips or my eye area. No rashes, nothing. So it's a natural product. It's a completely vegan and paraben free. If I'm talking about its benefits, then so first is like if we are in hurry or in rush, so this can go very well. And if anyone wants a complete natural look, the look without makeup, so this goes very well. We can use this in two types, such as we can apply it light and have a very natural look, and if we want a heavy look on a makeup, then we can take a little bit more application and apply it. So first thing came into my mind, like a very small and very less quantity, but trust me guys, you need only this much of quantity to apply it. So if you don't have any brush, if you don't have any specific brush to apply it, no worries. I too don't have any specific brush for it, and I suggest, and what I do always is like I use my fingertips. This is the best way for the application because our fingertips are warm, having its own heat. So it's very good to apply with your fingertips. A completely natural look you can get. So I'm starting it on. I'm taking it little bit. My god, I'm just in love with this shade. Don't just do lines. Always try to tap 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 and apply. So right time, no, nothing is on my face. I've washed my face with a face wash and then I had applied it. If you also have dark circles like me, then what can you do? You can apply concealer first and then you can apply it. But right now I'm doing it all my eyes without any concealer, just to have a natural look. I've applied it a very little bit, as you can see. So if we apply it in a darker shade, then how it looks. If your lips are dry like me, then I would recommend you to use your lip balm, any one you use, or even a Vaseline. So if anyone is looking for a complete natural look, then they can go for this shade. Not only 100 to 100%. So here's my look. Quickly removed it with the makeup remover. And I'm starting with the mahogany. So here's the look of mahogany, and I guess this is a pretty much party wear look. So here are both the shades. First one is soft nude and second one is mahogany. So this is how it looks on the hands, and also I've shown you on the face how it looks on the lips, on the cheeks and on the eyes. This both are silicone free, and the hair cleanser is from normal to oily hairs. And yeah, so I really love the fragrance of this one. I'm really looking forward to try it. I haven't yet used this two ones, but let me show you. Wow, this smells awesome, like seriously awesome, and I'm definitely going to use it. This is a conditioner. This don't fragrance, but this smells really very awesome. This is the Amla Neem shampoo, and the texture is also the nice one, not so thick and hard. I guess it's a light one. So I hope guys you like this video and you find it helpful. Please do like and share the video. So this one is also giving a natural look, but a little in a darker shade, and so here is the look. So guys, I'm ending my today's vlog over here. So please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss on my any upcoming videos, and you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much guys for watching till end. Bye bye.